Hey there, everybody. Thomas Will at Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, March 23rd, and we're going to take a look at gold and a couple of the setups today that are price action setups that happened in the trading room. Worked out really well. A lot of people able to take quite a bit of money out of the market. We had three different opportunities we discussed. So the first one, whoops, let me pull back the 2-minute chart back up here. The first one was the breakout here to the upside. So we had a micro trend, okay, or a consolidation period here. We broke out of consolidation. You also had a resistance level from the previous pivot high. We broke out of the consolidation, then pulled back and did what's called a last kiss, which once resistance is broken, it's good for a retest right afterwards, and it's called a last kiss, and you buy after you break the previous bar's high, after you have retested support or resistance now as support. So here's your last kiss and then your acceleration higher. Then we went and formed this head and shoulders at the top. We broke through the support of the neckline at 1250.9 and then we traced back up. And these are all things, by the way, we're talking about as they're happening in the trading room. And gold gave us another last kiss to the downside this time, where we jumped up, retested, broken support, and now is resistance. Break the previous bar's low to trigger, and then accelerate away from there. Now then what ended up happening is we came down and we traded alongside a 30-minute trend line. And that's where this stall happened. We stalled out right on top of that 30-minute trend line. And then we ended up forming a nice support level off of this double bottom. We broke through the trend line and broke through the 30-minute support and triggered a 30-minute bear flag. That gave you your third entry, which was a breakdown here. But all these setups are based primarily on price action. And that's where the naked trading comes into play. That's why I call it naked trading, because it's a price action setup. So if you want to learn more about this, there's a link at the end of the video where you can click that and go watch an hour-long webinar teaching you all about some of the basics of price action reading. Also, don't forget to click the link to subscribe. And if you want to join us in the trading room, go down to the bottom here and there is a basecamptrading.com/go link. You can click there and that will get you a $7 trial for an entire month. So I will see you there, and until next time, happy trading.